When it comes to embroidery, we discovered that a third of you are not sure where to start when selling embroidered products. So in this video, I'll introduce you to the basics of Printful's embroidery solutions and help you choose the right one for your next product. At Printful, you can use two embroidery techniques to bring your designs to life. The first is standard embroidery. You can choose from 15 thread colors and combine up to 6 of them in a single design. Standard embroidery is great for designs with clear details and solid colors. The second option is unlimited color embroidery. It's an innovative customization technique in which the embroidery machine uses a single white recycled polyester thread that is colored during the embroidery process. The thread can transform into nearly any color except metallic or neon. It's ideal for unique logos, vibrant graphics, and any design where color variation or precision is key. The first thing you need to remember is that these techniques have different embroidery file guidelines. Some basic rules are the same, like design simplicity and avoiding empty spaces in the artwork. Here's a new rule you need to remember. In unlimited color embroidery, when you're working with different color parts of a design, make sure that the smallest part of any single color is at least 0.86 inches. Following this rule ensures your artwork will have a smooth transition between colors. I've left a link in the description so you can familiarize yourself with the complete embroidery guide for both techniques. The next difference between the two comes down to product availability. Currently, standard embroidery is available for more items across various product categories than unlimited color embroidery. We've recently introduced unlimited color embroidery, so the selection of products we can embroider with this technique is growing. Our goal is to ensure top-notch quality for our customers, so we rigorously test the new technique on each product type before making it available. You can see which items have unlimited color embroidery using the filter option in Printful's product catalog. Next comes the embroidery placements. At the moment, the standard technique has more embroidery placement options than unlimited color embroidery. For example, with standard embroidery, your custom design can be done in a large size on the center of hoodies or on the side and back of hats. While unlimited color embroidery currently has only front placements available, it's only a matter of time before the selection becomes larger. You can check what placements are available for each product in Printful's product catalog. The two techniques have different stitch count limits. Stitch count refers to the total number of individual stitches used to embroider your artwork. It essentially means how big of a design you can make. With unlimited color embroidery, you can create designs with a maximum of 15,000 stitches. Although this applies to both techniques, with standard embroidery, you can go beyond the limits by creating designs for large center chest placements, which can have over 60,000 stitches. Finally, let's talk about the price. Both standard and unlimited color embroidery have an equal digitization fee. Digitization is a one-time fee charged to convert your artwork into a digital file that embroidery machines can read. However, unlimited color embroidery has an additional cost of $3.75. This means that every product that uses the embroidery technique has that additional cost added to its price every time it's ordered. So, standard embroidery will be great if you're looking to embroider your design on more products with different customization options. But if you want to stand out from the competition by creating products with gradient designs and colors that are impossible to make with traditional methods, then unlimited color embroidery is the way to go. Whatever you choose, rest assured that both techniques will give you a premium finish. Now, armed with this knowledge, head over to the Printful catalog to create your custom embroidered apparel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.